How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I wanted to show you a couple pieces. A buddy of mine who has a 71 Duster. It's actually my old car, and then I sold it back to him. Well, actually, it started out my cousin, my buddy bought it, then I bought it, then I sold it back to him. So he's completely restoring the car, restomod, I guess you can call it. But he had some pieces powder coated, and I wanted to show you those components. So hang on one second. So here he had the K member done, lower control arms, upper control arms, and the 8 3/4 housing. These were done by Power Sport Coatings, based in Wisconsin here. It's a fairly new company, a co-worker of mine, but they do great work and actually very affordable. But I wanted to take note, look how they gave these back to me. Now, he's a co-worker of mine, and look at the care that was taken when he returned them back. Now this is a loose wrap that I did because I wanted to see the inside, but the housing, he actually took and baked it. Got all gear lube out of there before it was sprayed, and I'll show you that. Wrap this housing here. And the guy over at Power Sport Coatings, he's a car guy, so he kind of understands if there's any threaded portions. He plugs them, and because of course there is a thickness to it. Now I don't know what that is, but. So here's the housing. I'm not going to unwrap the axle ends, or the housing ends, but here's the inside of it. Like I said, it was all baked, cleaned, plugged the threads. Did a really nice job. I'm going to unwrap one of these lower control arms. I don't want to unwrap everything, but I at least wanted to show you. Now Brent he put reinforcement plates in the lower control arms. There it is. Here's where the reinforcement plate was. Plug the holes here. Plug the hole there. Didn't spray into where the lower control or the bushing hose. Did a really nice job. Unwrap one of the uppers. These aren't even my parts. They look really, really nice. Beautiful. Didn't get into the threads for the upper control arm. Plug these. Or did I say upper control arm? Upper ball joint. I don't want to unwrap the K member, but it's a 71, and Brent went through and he welded all where the areas were that it was splitting, so he welded all the seams. But spool mount K-frame. So if you're looking for a place that does some powder coating, Power Sport Coatings, they're in Wisconsin here. They're all over Instagram. They do some really nice work. He actually started doing wheels, and does a great job. A lot of multicolor stuff. Eventually, I'm going to do some multicolor stuff. He does a bunch of multicolor and really cool stuff. Actually, I'll show you a mug that he did. And I've been using this for, hey, I'm pouring coffee on the floor. I've been using this, and this stuff is some durable stuff, man. I never really messed with powder coating. And turns out really nice. So if you're looking for a decent powder coater, or a good powder coater, check out Power Sport Coatings. So eventually I'm going to be doing, he's going to show me the process, and he said I could record it. So yeah, check him out. Instagram, Power Sport Coatings. And like, share, subscribe. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.